In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use collections. Collections are a great way to organize your meal plans and recipes inside of That Clean Life. You can use collections to group together your clients' meal plans, track your favorite recipes, create a collection of high-fiber breakfast recipes, or to help your clients create their own meal plans. To create a new collection, click on the Collections tab. From here, click on New Collection. You can give your collection a title, a description, and apply any tags that are applicable. Please note that the description and tags are only visible to you. When you are finished, click Create Collection. Once you have created a collection, you can add recipes or plans to it in a variety of ways. First, you can click on Add Item to search for a recipe or a plan that you would like to add to the collection. Personal meal plans are going to have a green calendar icon, whereas recipes will have a photo beside them. Selecting the Add button under your collection name will also allow you to add items in the same way. You can also head to the Recipe Gallery, apply your desired filters, and then click on the icon with the three dots to add that recipe to one or more collections. For example, let's say I wanted to find egg-free breakfast recipes for my client that use no more than 7 ingredients. They also only take 20 minutes to make and are high in protein and fiber. Once my filters are applied, I can add any of these recipes by clicking the icon with the three dots and selecting Add to Collection. If you'd like to add multiple recipes at once, click the Select button, choose your recipes, and then click the Add to Folder button. And third, you can add a recipe to a collection when viewing the recipe card. Click the icon with the three dots and select Add to Collection. Choose your desired collection and then select Add Recipe. You can also add any meal plan to a collection by selecting the icon with the three dots from within the planner and choosing Add to Collection. If you'd like to reorganize any items in your collection, click to the left of the photo and drag and drop the item where you would like it to be. You can also copy any of your collections. To do so, click the Copy button. Edit the title to indicate the changes made. And if you'd like to duplicate all of the items in your collection, be sure to turn the Deep Copy button to on. If you have a meal plan in your collection, using Deep Copy will ensure the duplicated version is unique to this collection. If you do not want to duplicate the items, leave this button off. Add or remove any items in your description as well as any tags, and when you're finished, click Copy Collection. You can edit your collection title, description, and tags at any time by clicking on the icon with the three dots and selecting Edit Collection. This is also where you would delete your collection. Lastly, you can also search for any collections that have been previously made. Use the Quick Find button to type in any keyword that is part of your collection. Anything with a green folder beside it is a collection. Click on the collection to open the collection as its own dedicated page. Here you have the same abilities to add, copy, edit, delete, reorder the items, and remove them. If you'd like to copy items from one collection to another, click the Select button. Select the items that you would like to copy into another collection. The items will remain in the original collection and also be copied to the selected collection. There are two ways to share your collections with your clients. First, you can export a collection as a PDF by clicking the icon with the three dots and selecting Export Collection. You can export up to 50 recipes in a collection at one time. Please note, if there are any meal plans, these will need to be exported from within the planner. Or you can share the collection with a client by clicking the Share button. Turn on your sharing permissions, and then copy the link. From here, share the link with your client. With sharing, you can share collections containing an unlimited number of meal plans and recipes. If you'd like to pin any one of your collections to the top of the list of your collections, click back into Collections and select the Star button. This will move the collection to the top, and it will remain at the top unless the Star button is clicked again. Click the Star button if you'd like to unpin the collection. And that's how easy it is to use collections.